Managing sales and purchase transactions in Tally can involve a lot of manual data entry, especially when you have a large number of invoices to process. But what if you could import your transaction data directly into Tally Prime, quickly, accurately, and with minimal effort? With Sine Wave Cloud's Sale and Purchase Import, you can upload your transaction files, validate the data, map ledgers, and import the transactions directly into Tally Prime. Let's see how the complete process works. To get started, simply visit our cloud portal and register your account. Before you begin, make sure Tally Prime is open and the required company is loaded with the relevant ledgers and masters. Sine Wave Cloud's Sale and Purchase Import feature makes it easy to bring your sales and purchase transactions into Tally Prime with minimal manual work. From the Sine Wave Cloud dashboard, open Sale and Purchase Import. For Excel-based data, you can use the standard template provided by Sine Wave Cloud. Simply download the template, enter the required transaction details, and upload the file. If your file contains GST details such as CGST, SGST, or IGST, select GST invoice. For invoices without GST details, select non-GST invoice. Once the file is uploaded, Sine Wave Cloud processes the data and displays the transaction summary. You can review the number of documents processed, successful transactions, failed transactions, and any low confidence entries. The validation screen provides a detailed review of your transactions, including document number, date, party name, taxable value, GST, and net amount. The system also identifies errors, warnings, duplicate invoices, missing mandatory information, and other inconsistencies. Sine Wave Cloud maps parties and items to the corresponding Tally Prime ledgers, including GSTINs. Missing parties or stock items can be created automatically with your preferred settings. Once mapping is complete, click Import to Tally. You can then open Tally Prime and verify the imported vouchers. The transaction details, including party ledger, sales or purchase ledger, item details, GST amounts, and narration, are carried into Tally Prime. You can also view the imported transactions directly in the Tally Prime voucher list. For multiple transactions, simply upload the required file and follow the same process. Sine Wave Cloud validates all the transactions together and displays them in the review dashboard. You can filter transactions, identify warnings or errors, and make corrections wherever required. After reviewing the transactions, complete the ledger mapping and proceed to the import settings. Here, you can choose whether missing stock items should be created automatically in Tally Prime. Once everything is configured, click Import to Tally. The validated vouchers are then imported directly into Tally Prime. After the import is complete, you can verify the newly created vouchers in Tally Prime. Sine Wave Cloud also allows you to export the processed transactions into a consolidated Excel file for your records. The exported file can be opened in Excel and used for further review, reporting, or record keeping. This makes the complete process, from uploading transaction data, validation, ledger mapping, and review to Tally Prime import and Excel export, simple, structured, and efficient. With Sine Wave Cloud, eliminate repetitive data entry and make your sales and purchase transaction processing faster and more reliable. Thank you for watching. Visit cloud.sinewave.co.in to learn more.